biggest event, biggest discussion, biggest issue of the year. For the second consecutive year, Impact News brings you Mega Manung Hutna on the 31st December 2017, the last day of the year. A marathon discussion on the idea of Manipur in the backdrop of framework agreement with a huge panel of politicians, academicians, social activists and citizen representatives at Hotel Imphal. If you want to participate as live audience, do register yourself on 0385 244 3238 on or before 30th December 2017. Hurry, only 100 seats available. Sponsored by Caesar Hospitals and Research Institute, Mother's Care Children Hospital and Research Institute, Marina Spring, Apunba Fitness, Likla, Classic Group of Hotels, Loktak Tank, Planet Interior, Endeavor, HBS, Manik Kumar Jewelers, Anandi Lifestyle.